And welcome to another video. It's Money Day. Today I would like to answer to some of your requests. One of your requests is that you'd like me to show you how I withdraw the money that I receive from dividends. So we're going to go ahead and see available to invest. I have $170. These $170 come from the dividends I've received. Yeah, I did an error this morning and just withdrew it, but then I put it back in here. But anyways, this is the money. The $170 is money I've received from different companies, so all the different companies I've invested into who pay me dividends. I'd now like to withdraw this money into my regular bank account to invest it into Bitcoin or other assets, and that's what I'm going to show you right now. So I go in here. I would like to withdraw. I'll withdraw all of this. There we go. And I have $0 left to invest. Now I go into my regular Revolut bank account. Right here. From investment account, I can see this right here. I've just received this amount from my investment account. It's in here. No problem. I'll go ahead and exchange it to euros. I would like to exchange all, wait, how much was it? 170.85. 170.85. Okay, I'm going to exchange all of it, and it will give me 141 euros and 43 cents. So this is the amount I've received since January in dividends in euros. That way you can see the amount in euros also. Sell US dollars to euro. There we go. I now have this in dollars. And I now have 942 euros because I already had 800 euros in this account. So there we go. Very easy. I find this super easy actually from Revolut, that I can just do this even though my account is not working at the moment. My trading account can still withdraw the cash as easy and as anything pretty much. So I hope this maybe helps you out. Be sure to like the video if you enjoyed, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Peace, guys.